Cool stuff. The Chapleton Maroons and New Bowens will contest next Sunday's final of the Samba Sports Value Mart Clarendon Major League. The unbeaten New Bowens booked their place with a 2-1 win over Buckner to advance 6-1 on aggregate. Matters were settled as early as the first minute for New Bowen when Shaquille Bryan scored. However, the game was leveled on the day when Shudane Heron replied for Buckner in the 59th minute. But Shalim Paisley completed the double semi-final victories for New Bowen over their opponent when he scored 3 minutes into time added. Meanwhile, leading scorer Kimoy Dyer scored a hat-trick, taking his tally to 13.
Boys shut down basically because we have that 4-0 cushion, so we didn't play to full expectation.
Let us tell you that meanwhile, leading scorer Kimoy Dyer scored a hat-trick, taking his tally to 13 goals as Chapleton Maroons completed a 7-2 aggregate win over Longville Park after beating them 4-1 in their return leg.
I feel good about the competition because we're doing good. We reached at the final and I'm the leading goal scorer.
Well, first I must say thanks to the guys for showing the true spirit of Maroon, as the name suggests. It was a very competitive game. However, we went out there with a game plan and then the boys executed.
The final is set for 3 p.m. on Sunday, June 9 at the Effortville Community Center.